Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to see all your follow requests on Instagram using the app on your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can easily check who wants to connect with you on Instagram right from your computer. First things first, make sure you have the Instagram app installed on your PC. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head over to the Microsoft Store, search for Instagram, and install it. Once you're set, open the Instagram app and log in with your account details. Now, let's get started. When you open the app, you'll notice a sleek menu on the left side of your screen. Look for the notifications icon. It looks like a little heart inside a speech bubble. Click on this icon to open your notifications panel. Inside the notifications panel, you'll see all your recent activity. But what we're interested in is the follow requests section. With the new update, Instagram has made it even easier to find. Right at the top of your notifications, you'll spot the follow requests option. Go ahead and click on it, and there you have it. Instantly, you'll see a full list of everyone who's requested to follow you. You can scroll through, check out their profiles, and decide whether you want to approve or ignore each request. This new layout makes managing your follow requests much more straightforward and user-friendly. If you want to keep your account private and control who follows you, checking your follow requests regularly is a great habit. With these easy steps, you'll never miss a new connection. So to recap, open the Instagram app on your PC, click the notifications icon on the left menu, select Follow Requests at the top, and you'll see all your pending requests in one place. That's all for today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for mastering Instagram. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting.